Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Feel Good Inc. on electric guitar. We'll start by breaking down the instantly recognizable main riff. This riff primarily uses power chords and relies heavily on a precise palm muting technique. Begin practicing this section at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to ensure accuracy before increasing your speed. Pay close attention to the rhythmic feel for an authentic sound. Next, we'll move into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse features a straightforward two-chord progression, making it accessible for many players. Focus on a smooth transition as you move from the verse into the slightly more dynamic pre-chorus. Notice how the strumming pattern subtly shifts, adding texture. Practice these changes until they feel natural and flow effortlessly. Now, let's tackle the powerful chorus and the distinctive bridge. The chorus brings a surge of energy with its driving chords and rhythm. Following this, the bridge offers a contrasting, more melodic feel, often featuring arpeggiated patterns. Remember to use dynamic control, playing softer in some parts and louder in others, to truly bring out the song's emotional depth and musicality. Finally, we'll explore the guitar solo and the song's outro. The solo is built primarily around the minor pentatonic scale, offering a great opportunity to practice expressive bends and vibrato. Aim for smooth, controlled string bending. The outro then brings us back to a simple, repeating riff, providing a satisfying conclusion. Practice these elements to add your personal touch to this fantastic song.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.